And on your hips.
Hips, andito na yung hips eh.
And on your proper hips. No. Okay. Head bending.
It's pastors.
Head station. The right. Right. Slowly. Slowly. Slowly.
Marvin!
Slowly. Slowly. Feel the weight. Feel the weight of your head. Okay. Reverse to the left. Slowly. Feel the weight of your head. It's big. Okay, good. The neck bending, head bending. Right, middle, left, middle, right, middle, and right, middle, left, middle, right, middle, left. Ito naman. When, pag sinabi kong my right, your left yun, ha? My right, yung left ko yun, ha? Left ko yun. Right.
Basta yung right natin.
Right natin.